What's up, guys? It's your boy Iwait here. So today I want to show you guys the Ironman helmet I'm building. I've been working on it for the past couple of days. I think like 2 days. So I just want to show you guys where I've reached. Like the final helmet will not be in a box. It will be in real metal. So this one is just a prototype. So the final helmet I'll use correct maybe titanium steel or something to build the final product. So this one is just a prototype. That's why it's made out of box. This is the Mark 2 and this is the Mark 3. The Mark 1 is totally destroyed because I built on the Mark 1 and the Mark 2, and this is the current. So what I basically do is that I just use the Ironman, the real picture like as a reference, then I try and replicate like the same thing. So that's what I did here. So let me just mount it on my head and show you guys how it operates. I haven't reached anywhere. I'm like 40% down right now, so I have a long way to go, but I decided to just show you guys where I've reached. I haven't reached that far, but like 40%, but I just want to show you guys so that like you'll be updated or something, something like that. Yeah. So let me mount it on the tripod right now. Let's tripod too. I made it myself, so let me just mount it to me right now. Alright. Alright. So I just mount it. Alright, so let me close it right now. Right now, the face plate is open. So let me close. So for you to open it, you just have to. There's a locker here, locker right there. So for you to open it, just click this side. And the face plate will open. Yeah, so that's it. Then for you to lock it, you just have to squeeze it right here. Then the whole stuff will close. Then just mount it on your head. Alright, so just hold it like this. So for you to mount this, then mount it like this. Yeah. So we look like alright, yeah, so that's it. So for me to open it, I just click this side. Alright, I look like Ironman. Comment down below what you think about it. Do I look like Ironman, like the Iron Patriot? Yeah. So that's how it will be like. So for you to close it, just go back like this. It's not working. Let me move it and close it. Just close it like this. Mount it to my head. So for me to open it, just click down it. Yeah, so that's it. Just open it. Just like Ironman. Cute. Yeah, dope, right? Yeah, so that's what I've been working on. So this is the helmet. Yeah, there's a tie here, like an elastic band right here, yeah. So when you mount it here, like there's an elastic band on the Ironman helmet, the top here, the top here. It's connected at the back here. So when you squeeze it like this, everything will close. Yeah, you touch it like this. What is this? guys, that's pretty much it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.